little bit of the front panel, right? Of course, I'll leave you guys with our resellers, DPI. If you are keen to schedule a demo with them, right? They have a demo unit, so you can have a chance to play with it up close. Of course, after the MCO or EMCO, right? Next, so sandwich modes basically refers to 3 layers, right? So 3 layers allows you to open up even more opportunities, right? So one example, right? So basically, this is the illustration you see on the right, right? On the left, sorry. So color, white color, right? There's a few ways you can play around with it. Number one, right? You can print or you can create a kind of day and night effect, right? So this one is an example of day and night, right? So in the day, I can't really show you the full picture, but I think you know what it is, right? Because of copyright. So this is how it looks like in the day, right? But when you turn on the lights, right, it actually gives you a closer match with the day. So typically, when it comes to light boxes, right, we know it is oversaturated, right? Because you want to give it the most punch when you have the lights on, right? But that also gives you a problem, right? So in the day, right, it's going to look very dull if you are printing a typical backlit mode, right? Because it's oversaturated, too much ink on top. But to get rid of that, right, the workaround is to print it in a 3 layer. So we did a color white color, right? So front and back is the same image. So I'm going to flip it over so you can take a look. Yeah. So this gives you a color white color day and night effect. So when you turn the lights on, it's going to give you a relatively closer match in the day, right? And also in the night. So that's one application you can play with, right? Next, right, we can also work with effects. Yeah, we can also work with effects. So in the day, right, we're gonna see something like this. Let me just peel off the liner, right? So again, this is from Ritrama, very, very clear, ultra clear. I've been saying this many times, but trust me, you should take a look at this material. I love it. Okay, so in the day, it looks like this, right? And when you turn the lights on, immediately it changes the entire look and feel, right? So basically, having a 3-layer mode gives you the opportunity to play with effects like this from day to a kind of evening look and feel, right? So how do we do that, right? So when you flip it over, right, you will notice, right, we flood another image at the rear, right, as opposed to the lighter shade of the daylight in the front. So these give you a 2-layer kind of, a 3-layer color white color kind of print, right? So when you turn on the lights, it's gonna give you the effects of the night sky, right? So that's another way you